Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my January Allure Beauty Box. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what's in here. I've been so busy, I don't think I've seen any spoilers at all. I could be wrong because sometimes when I get in there I think, oh yeah, I saw that. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. It was sealed with tape and I did cut that off. And then they send you some little things, a gift for everyone you love. They have, they have a shop and you can buy things and you can get some great stuff for the men in your life, which is nice. And I have version B. I think I had that last time. This is the little brochure. It'll tell us a little bit, well, it'll tell us a lot about what's in here. On the back is L'Occitane, a vitamin C, strong as retinol and vitamin C. Sometimes we get that product as a extra. Sometimes, we'll see. Allure is $25 and that includes shipping. It's $25 a month. You can get cheaper prices if you buy it for longer. I don't know if they do 3 months, but I know they do 6 months and 1 year. And I have a link below where you can sign up if you like. I have been told that I'd get something, but I don't think I've had a few of you say that you signed up under me, but I don't think I've ever gotten anything. So anyway, it's not that big a deal to me. If you like this, it's really worth it, I think. You are supposed to get 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes we get more than that or better than that. Sometimes you get like 4 full-size, or December we got 7 products and I'm thinking 4 or 5 were full size. So you just don't know. December was a phenomenal month. But let's see what it's all about. So when you open the brochure, it says Glow Getter. That is the theme for this month. And we have, oh, this is funny what we have. We have this Milk Makeup. I got this in my, in one of my advent calendars. Was it the Space NK? Can't remember. This is the full size. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set Refresh Spray, and this is $38 value. So $25 for this box, and this first product in here is already more than the $25. Camille, you'll have to calm down. She doesn't know what that means. See, she tries to take everything off the table. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. Milk Hydro it says, and it is this really nice light blue, and you can see this mixture up here, maybe like an oil. I don't want to say there's oil because I'm not sure, but what you'll do is you'll shake it before you use it, and it's very beautiful. So that is a setting spray. All right, hang on. Don't take my lipsticks, please. It says the easiest way to refresh your makeup before dinner. So it isn't, maybe it's not, well, it's a setting spray or a refresher. So give the bottle a quick shake, hold it about 8 to 10 inches from your face, and then with your eyes and mouth closed, of course, mist it onto your skin. It says this fine mist does everything a good setting spray should and then some. So they're saying it's a little bit better than a setting spray. And we do have a sample of the L'Occitane, the retinol and vitamin C. So it is Immortal Divine. There, I don't know if I can see any. You know how much is in here, y'all? And I am not kidding you. It's across. It's this, where my finger is. It's below my finger. I can see it in here through the lights with my ring light on, and it starts here, and it goes down here, and that is it. So I don't know how much I can actually try. It's not sealed. It's a nice cream, very nice cream. It's a face cream that targets age spots, it says. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the ad. The jar is gorgeous. It is very nice looking. It's a nice thick cream. It has a little bit of a scent. Maybe a little bit. I can smell maybe a little flower. It's not, it's already going away. The scent is going away. So I don't think it would bother your face. Experience Divine. So you can get this where do you get it? Use Allure 10 on their website, I guess. So it targets age spots. So I will save the rest of that little bit and try to work on my little age spot, which nothing works for that. They say it does, but it doesn't. All right, next up. I didn't see this box at all, and I don't know why. This is by Dermamik, and this is called Transfix. Let me find it in the book, and we'll see what it says. Okay, it does tell me a little bit about the L'Occitane. It's $115 for this jar. $115. Yeah. So, of course, we got a 0.4 ounce. It says included in the box. So this is, see, 3, 4, 5, well, okay. It's not big. There's not much in here. But you can get 10% off if you want to buy it on their website. I think I'll pass. The Dermamik. Let's find that in here. And see what we got going on. Well, why am I not seeing that? I've got Milk makeup. I've got that. Oh my goodness, I don't know. Oh wow. I do remember this product. Transfix. Oh, that's it. It looks like a nail polish in here. See, there it is. So I wasn't finding it because I was looking for a box. This is $18 for 0.4 ounces, which I think this is. So this is a full size. Okay. This base coat helps prevent new damage. I guess it is for your nails. Well, I'm just so surprised because Dermamik is a skincare, so this is for your nails. It does. Okay, let me take it out of here. The cats just discombobble me. So this is it, and this is a full size. It says it's a full size. So I guess that is maybe for nail polish. This base coat helps prevent new damage. So nails can grow in stronger, and it hides yellowness and ridges. So nail polish on top looks better. It's also pretty that you may decide to skip nail polish at all. Okay, it's $18 for this. So if it's, some people do have ridges in their nails or damage, or when I wear my press-on nails, sometimes people, it depends, if you pull them off, you can get damage, I try not to do that. I try to soak my hands and to get them off. But if I had damage, I could put something like this on. So that is nice. Okay, interesting. And next we have this Egyptian Magic. Let's see what it says about that. I think I saw it on the last page. This is all-purpose cream, it says. Makeup artists love this balm. It's a combo of honey, beeswax, and olive oil. That sounds really nice. A full size would be $39, and that would be 4 ounces. This is 0.25 ounce. So this is 1/4 of an ounce, and the 4 ounces is $39. So that's like $2.50 for this sample. I think if I did my math right. It's sealed in plastic. I want to open it because, let me get this off. It was nice. It was shrink wrapped. There's the lid, Egyptian Magic. It's hard to see the name. I think it's red and on the white, but it says all-purpose skin cream. I love things like that. It says treat any area that's in need of TLC. Dry legs and elbows, cheeks that are chapped from the cold, and tap a little onto cheekbones. So it'll give you a little glow because it's, it's that combination of the beeswax, honey, and olive oil. But it also will help, you can see it's a balm. It will help with problem areas. And especially if when it's really cold outside and you're walking outside and you can get chapped cheeks and stuff like that, it's hard to treat that. So this is really nice. I love that. And it's hard to tell sometimes how a bottom is, but I think this is, gonna go pretty good to the bottom. I think it's a good size to see if you like it. An all-purpose cream, that's a fun thing to get, I think, especially this time of year. Okay, it says that makeup artists love it. I was telling you that part already. Beeswax and olive oil quickly soothe and moisturize and has been known to make cheekbones glow on the runway. A nice alternative to glittering highlights. And my camera is just way off. Okay, now this feels good. This is like a little pillow here. This is Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. This says that it's a bonus, and it is $16 for 500 mLs, and this is 20 mLs. So, where to buy? It's Eva NYC, Eva New York. Deeply conditions, hydrates, and softens. Vegan, no sulfates, paraben, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. It's powered by argan oil, and it is a hair. You know, if you had a lot of hair, you probably would use this whole package. But I bet a lot of people can use this maybe twice. I keep hitting my camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I'll deeply condition, hydrate, and soften dry hair types in need of TLC. My rich, creamy formula melts into hair while helping melt your troubles away. For shiny, healthier looking hair, apply to wet hair, wait 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. Very nice. A little bonus item in there, always nice to get. Now we've got a couple of really bougie things I'm excited about because one of them I remember now. Okay, this is the one I remember seeing. I think I saw it on Instagram. This is Rock. You know what? I saw it on True Wants. I remember Miss True Wants. Miss True showed this to us. Rock Skincare Hydrate Plump Serum Capsules. This is a full size because I was really excited about it because a lot of times we get little samples. This is the multi-correction Hydrate Plump Serum Capsules, hyaluronic acid. So there's 30 capsules in here. It says that it's $32.99 for this. And I just lost my nail trying to get this box open. All right, you snap off the tip of a capsule and squeeze out a dime-size amount of the clear serum. It spreads easily across the face, and there's enough to soothe a little down your neck also. Okay. The serum is housed in capsules, which can help preserve its efficacy. Light and air may break down skin care ingredients. This is true, okay? So that keeps it dark. It leaves skin hydrated, soothed, and dewy. And emollient capric triglyceride fills in lines to make complexions feel even, soft, and smooth. Isn't that pretty? So it might be sealed when you... Oh, it's not sealed. So these, can you see these little cute little capsules? Let's see. So how this, if you can see that, it has a little end that you're going to pull off of there, and then you're going to squeeze that out and then put it onto your, clean face with moisturizers. So I'm super excited about that. Super excited. And yes, True Wants, Miss True showed this to us in a spoiler video. I do remember that. And then, last but certainly not least, is ElaMD. This is a full-size $38 value. This is a tinted SPF 40. And I have been told that ElaMD is the very best SPF out there. So it is nice. It's a nice, it has hyaluronic acid. It's got a nice pump to it. It says that it's tinted. Camille, smooth a generous amount over your face and neck, being sure to cover frequently missed areas, like between the brows and above the upper lip. So that is that. It says, ElaMD sunscreens are perpetual favorites of dermatologists for their skin-saving broad-spectrum protection. The brand's tinted formula is light enough to wear every day, and its sheer color evens out complexions without looking makeup-y or sunscreeny. So it sounds to me like it's going to be sort of like a primer too, when you put it on. So this was a fantastic box. Once again, they, Allure, like I said, $25, and these full-size products are all worth more than that. We have the Rock capsules. Super excited about that. Great for traveling. Great for traveling here. So you can just, if you know you're going to be away 2 days, you can take 2 with. We've got the ElaMD UV Daily Skincare 40. It's SPF 40. I wish Camille would sit, but she just can't. She just can't settle down until she settles down. We got the Dermamik. I'm really surprised by this one. The Dermamik Transfix for your nails. And the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Gel. This was really pretty. I'll show it to you again. Beautiful. That's a full size. So I've got my 3 full sizes. 1, 2, 3. I've got I've got 4, what's that? I've got 4 full sizes. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 full sizes. And then we have this bonus item and this fun. I'm so excited to try this, the Egyptian Magic. So, you know, I have a couple different balms, you know, like the bag balm that I got in my Ipsy advent calendar. That kind of thing is like this, a little different. The way it looks, it's different. That one looks more like a Vaseline, and this one looks more like a balm. You know, it's waxy. So, oh, and then let's not forget the little L'Occitane, which felt wonderful on my skin, and my skin is nice and soft. There is still a residual scent. It's a very light, very, very light floral, very, very light, not like a perfumey floral. It's hard to describe. It's like you're in the grass. It's sort of like that. Anyway, that's my Allure box. So I think it's fantastic. I love it. A lot of y'all ask me about what I wear on my face. I don't know that I'm going to remember this even after today, but I'm going to tell you. Today I have on the Il Makiage palettes. I've used both of these. These are the Color Boss. Let's see. I've got Call the Shots, Color Boss, Il Makiage, and I've got Game Changer. So this one is Game Changer, and this one is, I just said it now, I forgot what it was called. Call the Shots, okay? So these are what I used today. This one, when I opened it, I stuck my finger in there, so I'm not panning. I'm not panning. I used, which shades did I use? I used that. I used this palette mostly. And then I added this gold. So that's what I used today. And on my lips, I have Charlotte Tilbury. This is called Pillow Talk, and I thought Pillow Talk had like maybe numbers, 1, 2, 3, or you know, Pillow Talk / a name. But all I see on this is Pillow Talk, and it's beautiful. It is not a bullet lippy. It's this type, and that's what I have on my lips. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's what I have on today. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Let's see my Allure. I just think if y'all are looking for some skincare mostly, as you can see this time, no makeup. Sometimes there's an eyeliner or a little eyeshadow palette or something in here, but mostly it's skincare. It's a really great box for the price. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.